Hello, and welcome to this short presentation which seeks to provide a better understanding of your assignment in the module Understanding Leadership. I am Paul Corcoran, your facilitator, and this video will help you to have a better appreciation of how to tackle that assignment. The main aim is to provide practical guidance in approaching the assignment questions with the objective to examine the link between leadership styles, employee performance, and success within the workplace. But let's recap some of the key points that were covered in your last session. What is leadership? What is management? And the key styles of management and how they may impact authoritarian or participative relationships in the workplace. We said there were differences between a leader and a manager. Leaders inspire, they help you to think, they motivate you, innovate, they help to develop, and they set the pace for the vision to be achieved. On the other hand, managers may control, they may normally act, organize, administer, maintain, and they follow set rules and procedures on how things should be done. One of the main proponents or one of the main advocates of management styles is Douglas McGregor, and he was behind the theory X and Y. According to Douglas McGregor, under theory X, persons tend to operate in an authoritarian modality, whereby they may tend to avoid work, they may feel that they must be controlled in order to get the job done. They tend to avoid responsibility and they look for security. Those persons who function under theory Y in the participatory modality, work for them is natural. They don't have to be forced, they're self-directed, they seek out responsibility, and they are good decisions they make good decisions with a broad focus. It should be noted that all employees may tend to fall within the continuum of either theory X or theory Y. Now let's turn our attention to question 1 of the assignment. It said, describe the factors that will influence the choice of leadership style or behaviors in workplace situations. And some of the key points that you would want to highlight in that question, you would want to first establish briefly the various literature perspectives on styles of leadership. Secondly, it would be important that you define the key styles of leadership. And thirdly, explore the factors that may influence the type of leadership style or behavior. Factors such as the personality of either the leader or personality of the persons within the workplace, as well as the work environment. So those are just a few examples, but I'm sure you'll come up with others as you do your research. Question 2 in the assignment spoke to explain why these leadership styles or behaviors are likely to have a positive or negative effect on individual and group behavior in your workplace. And to tackle that question, you'd want to focus on expanding on the main leadership styles, giving clear examples on the positive or negative effects of each. Another strategy is to establish if any of the styles that you've identified are more appropriate for any given work environment. Now, to keep you motivated so that you do your best with this assignment, these are a few tips. You can form study groups to stay motivated. Secondly, begin to tackle the assignment early. And thirdly, pay attention to the assessment rubric. That is important because it helps you to understand how the assignment will be marked. Remember, today a reader, tomorrow a leader. In conclusion, I want to leave you with this quote of inspiration from Vincent van Gogh. If you hear a voice within you say you cannot paint, then by all means paint. That voice will be silenced. So when you get doubts about starting this assignment, Start the assignment, because that voice within you will be silent. Be the leader you are. Until next time, have a good one.